Okay, we're back. Let's see how to open this thing here. This. That is moissanite. This is a 3mm tennis chain or necklace, whatever you want to say. It's a 3mm. Push to open. See if I can get it open here. It says push. Oh, there we go. All right. And I like this one because it has the hidden clasp. I'll show you in a minute. This clasp right here is hidden, so it forms with your neck. Hold on, let me get this straight and I'll show you. So you take it and you push it in here like this. And see how it forms with the link, the rest of the necklace. This is like a straight line. You're not gonna be able to see that signature on there, but yeah. Got a little bit of weight to it too. So it's a 3mm. I said it's okay. I think it's okay. This is an 18-inch because I wanted it to be a little bit shorter on my neck when I wear my I have a custom pendant coming for this, specifically to wear with this. So who knows when that comes? Probably like probably sometime in early February because they have to custom make it. But yeah, this is just an unboxing just to show you what this is. All right, talk to you later.